So as we walk, just tell me what's here. Tell me what the work you've done here is.
Panna poter.
Here we are in a new vineyard. It's 2 years old. It's a new vineyard of Sangiovese. It's a vineyard completely biodynamic since the beginning. We have used green manure for 4 years before the planting of the vineyard, and we have 1 hectare where we will put on our variety and our traditional varieties in the next year. Next year we will have the first harvest from this vineyard.
This vineyard. And so basically what we did, we have some old vineyards in the winery. They are about 50 years old. And we kind of selected some old varieties which we are, let's say, experimenting now. We're going to have some micro vinification fermentation this year. And we really hope that we are going to have some great results. We're very positive on this. And the idea is to plant this variety, this old variety, in 1 hectare, which we left available in this new area for this variety.
When you say old varieties, what exactly is it? What type of grapes?
It's Sangiovese. We have the...
Now the old variety is actually called, it has a specific name. The old variety, yes. And it used to be present in these areas in Tuscany. It is almost extinct. It almost doesn't exist anymore. And what we did the sampling. We sent this sample to a very specialized institute in Montpellier, in France, to do the DNA analysis. And they actually match this variety with, they have a sort of a book, let's say a booklet with all the different varieties, and they found the match. So it is a variety that exists, but it is almost extinct.
What's it called?
It's called, we would like to say maybe a little later on.
We will tell next
not because it's a secret, but you know, we want to be sure, you know, what we're expecting, what will come out. So we try to keep it now for ourselves.
We want to be.
But we will tell you later on for sure, because as I said, we're positive that we're gonna have a great result on this.
Do you have any idea what it tastes like?
We think about a very spicy wine. Spicy wine. Is not easy to grow. It's very sensible to the disease of the wine, and so it is quite similar to the Sangiovese in terms of difficult of growing. And very fruit, the smell, and high level of alcohol, so high sugar, and for this reason we have to work about the harvesting to understand if with an early harvest we can have less alcohol and more body and more elegance in the wine. But we have to do in next harvest all the work about.
So the idea is really to produce a cru, a niche wine, you know, something like 2,000-3,000 bottles, no more, like we're doing with the Daphne and the Cosimo, which are our top wines, but do a very, you know, important job in the vineyard, important job in the cellar, and really to extract the best from this variety.
In this moment, this variety is present in the Cosimo, in the blend of the Cosimo.
Exactly.
Because we have found the vine in the vineyard of the Cosimo.
And this is a bit of our idea, our project, to really find some varieties that can totally express the terroir in a very natural way, because as we said, we work with biodynamic in the vineyards. We have natural fermentations in the cellar, so there's nothing added, no chemicals added at all. And that's why we need to understand also for this new variety, is it the right variety to grow here? Does it have what we're looking for, which is fruit, nice smell, elegance, a bit of body, but not too much, So we have to understand if this variety has all these qualities, and then we're ready to go ahead with it.